In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Tracker Network profile public. By the end, your stats page will be visible to others and easy to share, so friends, teammates, or recruiters can quickly see how you're performing. First, open your browser and head to the official Tracker Network website. Take a moment to confirm you're on the legitimate site before you do anything else. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, usually at the top right. Clicking Sign In sets up the link between Tracker Network and your game account so your profile can be displayed publicly and kept up to date. Next, choose the specific game you want to update from the top menu. You'll see popular titles listed like Valorant, Fortnite, and Apex Legends. Selecting your exact game is important because each title has its own identity system and stats feed. Picking the correct one tells Tracker Network exactly where to pull your information from. Now, sign in with your game ID for that title. For example, you might see an option like Sign in with Riot ID for Valorant. If you prefer, you can also use a connected platform such as Google, Xbox, or PlayStation, provided that's the account you actually use to play. Make sure you choose the same platform that holds your in-game progress because that's where your stats live. Complete the secure sign-in on the trusted login page. If you use additional security like two-factor authentication, go through that as usual. Keep your credentials private and avoid entering them anywhere that doesn't clearly show the official provider. When the permissions prompt appears, authorize Tracker Network to view your basic account information. This read-only access allows the site to retrieve your profile and match data so your page can be public. It doesn't let Tracker Network change anything on your account, and you can revoke access later through your platform or publisher settings if you ever need to. Go ahead and click Authorize to confirm. After a brief moment, Tracker Network will create or refresh your profile page for the selected game. If you don't see everything right away, give it a little time. Initial updates can take a moment as data syncs. Once it appears, your profile is publicly viewable, searchable, and ready to share with your team or community. That's it. Visit Tracker Network, select your game, sign in with the correct account, and authorize basic access. With those steps complete, your Tracker Network profile is now public and ready to showcase your progress.